So Expresso would also like to highlight animal adoption this festive season and, of course, motivate viewers to adopt pets as well. So make sure that you are making that sort of extra special time for your pet this festive season, or for a pet this festive season. Well, good morning, ladies. Welcome to the show. Now, Marge, can you tell us a bit more about the Tears Animal Rescue Centre?
Well, we've been established since 1999 and we are a rescue society. Our biggest problem is the number of unwanted animals.
Yeah.
So our main focus is sterilisation. And obviously to sterilise the animals that do come to our doors, we need huge funding. With the recession in the last year, I think all animal welfares have definitely had a knock.
Sure.
You know, people say, yeah, you should get a pet for Christmas. We don't advise that. A pet is like having a baby. It's a lifetime commitment. And you need to make sure that you can cover the veterinary bills and the food.
True.
But for Tears, our biggest problem at the moment is funding. We have a feral cat project program where we actually go into business areas and we trap overnight, bring them in and then sterilise them. Before we sterilise them, we treat them, we test them, for leukemia and AIDS. If they're fine, then we sterilise them and then we return them, and hopefully the businesses that we work with will set up feeding stations.
Yeah. Now, you're talking about feral cats right now, and I believe you have a new cattery. Tell us a bit more about that.
We've got the most wonderful news.
It sounds almost like, I have to say, when I hear the word cattery, I'm thinking this plush deluxe like hotel.
I think if you land up as a cat at Tears, it's definitely a hotel. For the dog, it's a different scenario altogether. We have a wonderful property, Wenger Farm. It's a 3.1 hectare farm in Kommetjie. And about 2 months ago, Joey, we moved our entire cattery from Lekkerwater Road, the premises that we rent, to there, and it's stunning. There's outside areas, there play areas. Last 2 weeks ago we had 100 kittens. We're now down to 74. So if you need a kitten, please contact Tears. Definitely the place to come. And our adoption fee is only 500 Rand. And what's included in that is your sterilisation. Your cat or kitten is microchipped, dewormed, and vaccinated. And all our cats, even if they're feral kittens, we've got the most amazing volunteers and staff members that actually spend a lot of time rehabilitating them and working with them. Sometimes it's quite hard to give them, you know, home them. But we always look for the forever home for our pets. That's why we're very strict. We have a home visit because we want to make sure that, you know, this dog or cat is going to be happy. We're a lot sort of easier, I think, on the cat adoptions than the dogs. The dogs we do a pre-home visit first.
Interesting. Now, you're talking about the process of adopting a pet at Tears. You know, why is it so important to actually sterilise your pets?
Well, if you have a look at these two little kittens that we've got in studio this morning, one unsterilised female cat in 1 year could have 30 kittens. And if you kind of do a pyramid but going downwards and you have 30 kittens going out and mating and each having 30 kittens, you can see why we have a huge problem. And people like I4 that used to fund Tears, they don't do any funding for feral cats because it's such a huge problem. Worldwide, feral cats are a huge issue. That's why it's really important if you have a cat, even if your cat's 5, go and get him sterilised, male or female. Cats are very territorial, so if you do have a cat, they'll stay in the area. That's why it's such a good policy for feral cats to trap them and then put them back, because if you just remove them, another family or another colony will move in and take over. So really important, sterilise. Be wise, sterilise. That's the key.
I like that. Be wise, sterilise. So one last question. You know, you've got these beautiful kittens over here. Karis, I have to know, how does one go about, you know, checking to see that you get the right kind of animal that doesn't have those kind of behavioural issues?
Well, look, it's any animal, from rescue center or not, can potentially have behavioral issues. When you're going with something like a kitten, you can be pretty sure that the cat's going to be okay. They don't usually come with that many behavior issues. This one's vibrating, purring so loud on my lap. So you just have to ask good questions. You have to make sure you're getting an animal that suits your lifestyle. You can give it enough exercise. You have enough space for it. All those kind of things.
Oh, fantastic. Ladies, thank you so much for coming through. And yes, Marge, one
more word. Yes. 2 things. We have what's called a pay for a spay. If you have anyone who needs a Christmas present, but they're, you know, the man who has everything, and give them a pay for a spay. They can phone us. They can log on to our website, www.tears.org.za.
Fantastic.
For 100 Rand, you can get a certificate and you can give a gift with meaning. And then very exciting, this is our new coffee table book. All the proceeds go to Tears. It's a wonderful book. It's absolutely hilarious. It's all about what do dogs really think. And I promise you, when you read this book, you'll be quite surprised about what your dog's really thinking. So for more info, you can come to our website.
Okay. And if you want to adopt Millie,
come and speak to us right now.
Fantastic. I think the staff are definitely going to do so, because these kittens are absolutely adorable. And then, of course, I think the other one's name is Rebecca.
Rebecca.
Oh, cute. Absolutely adorable. Well, thank you so much, ladies, for joining us this morning. I'm sure that you have highlighted a lot of things for us, and it is really important to make sure that when you do get these pets, it's something that you are having to take care of for life. It is a lifetime commitment.
Thank you very much for having us.
Fantastic. Well, you can also get the details on our Expresso website, so make sure that you go to www.expressoshow.com. Stay tuned, we have lots more coming up after the break.
Stay with Expresso and SABC3.